You aren't lazy. You aren't unlucky. You are likely suffering from a neural parasite. This isn't a biological organism. It's a deep-seated survival loop in your brain that is literally hardwired to reject wealth. And until you delete it, no amount of hard work will ever make you rich. In neuroscience, we call this the scarcity loop. When you were young, your brain downloaded the financial trauma of your environment. This code now lives in your vagus nerve and your prefrontal cortex. Every time a wealth-building opportunity appears, this parasite triggers a microdose of cortisol, making you feel anxious or tired, so you stay in your comfort zone. It is a biological defense mechanism designed to keep you poor, to keep you safe. To kill the parasite, we have to bypass the conscious mind entirely. We are initiating the Nexus level system cleanse. This frequency is designed to stimulate the pineal gland while simultaneously deactivating the Scarcity Center of your amygdala. Prepare for a total neural reboot. Initiating parasite deletion. 10%. 40%. I am extracting the identity of the struggler. I am installing the architect protocol. My nervous system is now a conductor for high-value energy. The infection of not enough is purged from my cellular memory. Wealth is my new biological baseline. The parasite is 90% neutralized. To finalize the deletion and anchor the new wealth code into your DNA, you must comment the phrase "system cleansed" below. This physical action signals your brain to accept the new architecture. Do not skip this step. The window for reprogramming is closing. Welcome to the Nexus.